pushes people. It really does. It's disruptive innovation in the best sense possible. So if you look at the things that they've included, I mean everything from starting with a real car on the stage and the door taken off with the jaws of life.
SMACC offers something very unique that other conferences don't. It's more engaging, it's more responsive, it's a very dynamic conference.
I think you'd have to describe the energy here as unparalleled because it's a group of people who are not affiliated with a college and people who just come together spontaneously, really.
It brings a true definition to what we do as emergency care providers. Our humanity, our compassion, you actually see it in action. That is SMACC.